Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 6, our neighborhood. Lesson number 6, our neighborhood. In this lesson, we are going to learn about our neighbors, our neighborhood, and the places in our neighborhood. Children, we all live in a society. House is a place where a family lives happily together. House provides shelter to the family. We feel safe inside our house. Many other families live near our house. These families are our neighbors. Do you know the name of your neighbors? If you do not, find out. Always greet them when you see them. Our neighbors. The people who live near our houses are our neighbors. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Good neighbors make our life pleasant. We should always help our neighbors and share things with them. Our neighborhood. In this picture, we can see a hospital, a bank, a park, and many buildings, a shop, etc. Let us learn about our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. Neighborhood means any area near or around our house. There are many important places near our house. These places give us very useful and important services to us. These services make our neighborhood a better place to live in. Near our house, we have places like markets, hospitals, schools, and banks. The people who live in an area and the places in it make up a neighborhood. Places in our neighborhood. Market, post office, police station, clinic या hospital, fire station, bank, school, park. Let us have a look at each one of them in detail. Market. We need market in the neighborhood. Markets are usually a busy place. There are many shops and stalls in the market. Many things are available in the market. We purchase many things from the market. Some markets are big and some are small. Children, have you ever been to a market with your parents? What did you buy? We buy milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, medicines, and other things for daily use. We buy them from shops and stalls from the neighborhood market. Hospital. When people fall sick, they go to a clinic or hospital for treatment. The doctor examines the patient and gives medicines. Clinic is a small place and hospital is big. In a clinic, you can see few nurses and a doctor. But in a hospital, there are many doctors, nurses and other staff members in the hospital. Have you ever been to a hospital when you were ill or to visit someone who was ill? We go to visit a doctor in our nearest hospital when we are hurt or feel sick. The doctors and nurses in the hospital give us medicine and help us feel better. The police station. Every neighborhood has a police station. Police station is a place where police works. They help us to maintain law and order. They look after the people and their belongings and keep us safe. A police station is the office of the local police. Every neighborhood has a police station. A police keeps our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. They make sure people follow rules and live peacefully with each other. The bank. Have you ever been to a bank with your parents to deposit or withdraw money? We keep our money and valuable items like jewelry in a bank. Many neighborhoods also have ATM. An ATM allows people to withdraw money easily. The park. We go to the park to play and exercise. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. Parks are big places with plants and trees where people go to enjoy fresh air. Some parks also have swings and slides for children to play. The fire station. Have you seen a fire truck? It is a huge truck which is red in color. If a building is on fire, we call the fire station. The people who put out fire are called firefighters and they come in the fire truck. We go to our nearest post office when we need to send letters to our family and friends. We buy stamps at the post office. We also send registered post, telegrams and parcels through the post office. The school. Children go to school to learn how to read and write. They also learn good manners and habits in the school. Our teachers help us to learn in school. School also teaches us social skills we will need in our future lives. Now, we will see some more places in our neighborhood. Cinema theatres. Here we watch movies for entertainment. Medical shop. We buy medicines here. Barber shop. We go here to cut our hair. Tailoring shop. If we want to stitch new clothes, we go to a tailoring shop. Grocery shop. We go to grocery shop to buy household items. Restaurants. We eat tasty food in restaurants. Children, our neighborhood is where we live. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We must not throw garbage on the street. We should all plant trees to make our neighborhood green and beautiful. Points to remember. Neighbors are families who live near our house. We should love and respect our neighbors. Our neighborhood is where we live. A good neighborhood provides many useful and important services. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Let me ask you some questions now. A place where we can buy fruits and vegetables. Children, tell me the answer. A place where we can buy fruits and vegetables. Yes, it is market. We get everything in a market. Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are hurt or ill. Where do you go to play and exercise? Park. We go to a park to play and exercise. Where do you go to buy stamps? Post office. We go to a post office to buy stamps. Where do you keep your money and jewelry? Bank. We keep our money and jewelry in a bank. Now tell me who works at the following places. The police station. Who works in the police station? Policeman. The fire station. Who works in the fire station? A fireman. A hospital. Who works in the hospital? Doctor and nurse. A traffic signal. Who works in a traffic signal? Traffic police. Now let us learn how to keep our neighborhood clean. Children, take a walk around your neighborhood. Is it clean? Is there garbage on the streets? Have people spat on the walls and the road? How can you keep your neighborhood clean? Here are some suggestions. Never throw garbage on the roads. Look for a dustbin or garbage dump. Ask your parents to help to plant a tree or plants that bear colorful flowers. Do not spit posters and put them up on notice boards. To keep your neighborhood clean and beautiful, you can follow these instructions. Once again, never throw garbage on the roads. Look for a dustbin or garbage dump. Ask your parents to help to plant a tree or plants that bear colorful flowers. Make do not spit posters and put them upon notice boards. Then children, remember this, you must always have the telephone numbers of some important places like the hospital, police station and fire station. In case of emergency, you will need them. So, we have finished with lesson number 6, our neighborhood. Now, we are going to learn the new words from the lesson. I will read the words 3 times. Please listen carefully. Number 1, neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors. Number 2, neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D. Neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D. Neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D. Neighborhood. Number 3, market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Number 4, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Number 5, police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. The 5 words once more. Neighbors, neighborhood, market, hospital, police station. The 6th word is bank. B-A-N-K, bank. B-A-N-K, bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Number 7, park. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. Number 8, fire station. F-I-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, fire station. F-I-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, fire station. F-I-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, fire station. Number 9, post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. Number 10, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Number 6, bank. Number 7, park. Number 8 fire station. Number 9 post office. Number 10 school. I am going to read all the words one more time. Number 1 neighbors. Number 2 neighborhood. Number 3 market. Number 4 hospital. Number 5 police station. Number 6 bank. Number 7 park. Number 8 fire station. Number 9 post office. Number 10 school. So we have finished with our new words also. Now what to do? Yes, write these words 3 times in your notebook and learn. Okay children, bye. See you.